Here's SplitWise, where you can split expenses with friends. So imagine, you uh, planning some group trip, you're planning some party, you planning to do some group purchase and stuff like that. It's just an easy way to share expenses with your friends and family and stop stressing about who owes who. There are so many use cases like roommates splitting rent, group trips, splitting vacation house, weddings, like so many things. And yeah, to be honest, this app is a bit complicated to use. I think it's a bit too much, but yeah, here you just can add friends. So you have your account, you can create your account with email and password, you can add friends. Then you have your group, which you can have a group of people. And then, for example, uh, you create an expense with you and one friend. Uh, so then you just create, okay, with you and your friend, you went to the party, and then basically you paid like $100 paid by you and split equally. And then how this expense was split. You're owed the full amount. You paid split equally. Andrew paid split equally. Andrew is owed the full amount. And then even more options. So then you can just calculate percentages and like whatever you had it. Um, so yeah. So for example, I just paid and it's split equally. So then I just have this, and then here I just see that I paid $100 and then Andrew needs to pay me $50, and then I can just tap settle app. Do you want to send this balance, and then yeah, you can just settle here that okay, this friend paid $50 to me, and then I have just my overview that right now, like nobody owes me money from that party trip, for example. And it's just like an easy way to at least track your expenses. But yeah, I still like this app is a bit hard to use for me as well. There are some alternative apps. You should look for some apps like which are instantly connected to your bank. For example, in Denmark there is like Danske Bank or like Lunar Sharing app, where it's instantly connected to your debit card, and you just not only track, you just instantly pay it out. So then it's just how it works. Then Splitwise Pro, then you have also receipt scanning, totally ad-free experience, currency conversion, charts and graphs. So even more advanced overviews, and then you can just see your activity, and then again you just add an expense. So this app is mostly like for tracking. So if you track expenses, if you're just doing a lot of group purchases with friends or with family, and you just constantly spending money, and or like other people spending money, and you wanted to know exactly what you are owed to and all of that, and maybe it's coming from all different banks, different debit cards, and you just want to have one place where like, hey, I paid $100, someone owes me 50, I paid 200, someone owes me 75 or something like that, and then you just complete all of the payments, and then you just see, okay, overall I'm not owed anything, and I don't owe anything to other people. So that's the app to do it. That's like your tracker. But again, yeah, for me it's just easier to use the app when you just use the same bank kind of, and then you just instantly tap the settle button and instantly you send the payments to all the people. That's like a bit easier for me, but anyhow, try out this app.